Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basic. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to download QGIS on your MacBook. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in download QGIS on Mac. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. And here you can see different options. Make sure that you are choosing macOS. Now click on download button. After that, your download has been started. It may take some time depending on how fast your internet is. After your download is completed, you can see pop-up like this. Click on it. Now click on Agree to install the QGIS app. After that, you have to drag the QGIS logo into the application. After that, your installation process is completed. Now go to Launchpad and here you can see the QGIS app has been successfully downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.